Alright, here we have a early 1930s Lauson LA Marine engine. These are really hard to find. LA 104D, according to the casting on the shroud. I think it's just considered an LA engine. 2 5/8 bore, and what did I say, it was 2.5 inch stroke. So it's got 4135 here. There's a 4, and there's another row of characters up here, but I can't make it out. So this engine was seized up when I bought it. Got this out of Sag Harbor. It's the first marine engine I've actually picked up on Long Island. I have her turning over now. Cleaned the corrosion out of the cylinder and was able to get it freed up with just a bit of heat and penetrating oil. Just took the top off the Joe's gear reversing reduction transmission. Turns out there's a detent ball on this side and a detent ball on that side. They were kind of just sticky. And there's a rhombus shaped piece in here that the control lever uses to push against the detent balls. So now I can put it in reverse. You heard the click. So now when the engine's turning clockwise, the output's turning counterclockwise. I can put it in neutral. The output's still going to spin because there's no load on it. But then you can put it in forward. Hard to do one-handed, but now the output shaft is turning the same way as the engine. It's basically just a double cone clutch in there. Pretty happy that the reversing gear is in good order now. Till it's an MS carburetor. Early style air cleaner, don't know who makes this one, I've never seen it before. It's a little gas shield so you don't spill fuel into the boat. And a nice little Lauson belt. Casting on the side of the block. It's all cast iron, other than the cylinder head, which is aluminum. This thing's pretty heavy. It's got a nice tank. Nice original decals. Nice original muffler. It's got an LW 150 cast into the base. It's a pretty strange looking oil dipstick. If it'll come out. So it turns over, has very little compression. The valves need work, probably needs rings. Has a Wyco FG mag, and it's completely dead, as they usually are. So magnets probably need to be recharged, and might have to do some stuff with the points in the condenser. But really, all in all, very, very happy with this. Turned out to be a nice little engine. I had my doubts, because this thing looked really bad when I got it. But it cleaned up pretty nice. So I think with some carburetor work, some ignition work, you know, pull the whole thing apart and get it all cleaned up, I think it'll be a really nice, sweet little running engine. Not sure I'd go out on a boat with just one of them in it, should the magneto die, but it's a pretty nice little Lauson, really hard to find. I would guess this engine's maybe 2.5 or 3 horsepower. I haven't found any literature on it. It's a good size engine, considering I think Lauson's biggest one was 6.5 horsepower. Most of them are under 1. Yeah, thought that was pretty neat.